Meaning of DPhil.
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 DPhil. DPhil stands for Doctor of Philosophy, which is a postgraduate academic degree awarded by universities to individuals who have successfully completed a program of original research in their chosen field. The DPhil degree is equivalent to the PhD degree in most countries and is typically earned after several years of study and the submission of a doctoral thesis or dissertation. The DPhil degree enables individuals to make significant contributions to their fields of study and can open doors to career opportunities in academia, research, government, and industry.